artists. I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing
a sheep.
Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello, little artists. Today my daughter Valentina is here with me. Valentina, you wanna say hi?
Hi.
And what are we doing today, Valentina?
I think we're drawing a sheep.
A unicorn?
Sheep.
Good job. Okay, and the first thing we're gonna do is the nose. It's a little triangle. I don't know there. Underneath the triangle, we're gonna do kind of like a letter B. So we're gonna do a backwards letter B. Okay, so it's a triangle and a triangle.
It's an X.
And an X, yes, like an X, yeah. Good job. Now we're gonna do the eyes. We're gonna do one oval shape.
A big, like this.
A big oval shape, and then we're gonna do another one. Now we're gonna draw the face, and we're gonna start drawing a curve that goes from the top of the eye down, and the same thing here. We're gonna leave a space, and we're gonna do a curve like this. Good. Now we're gonna do the bottom, and we're gonna start doing upside down letter U. So I'm gonna go in here a little, and I'm gonna go curve, and another one, and another one, and a last one.
And another one.
Okay. Now on the top, we're gonna do kind of like the same thing, but this time are not gonna be the same size. We're gonna do different sizes. So I'm gonna start here on the center, and I'm gonna do a big one.
Okay.
And then next to it, I'm gonna do a small one. And then next to it, I'm gonna do one more. And I wanna continue until I reach to the other side. And the same thing here. They don't have to be the same as mine. It's just an idea, but we're gonna do different sizes, okay? Okay. Now we're gonna do the top of the hair, or the top of the head. And we're gonna go around this last curve we did. So we're gonna do a curve that goes to the center. If I follow this line, this is my center. So I'm gonna go around this curve and go on the center.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna go here to the other side. And I'm gonna do another curve. Now we're gonna do the horn of this unicorn sheep. And we're gonna do a triangle here in the middle. So look at, we're gonna go up and down. Now we're gonna put lines that go across, and we're gonna do 1, 2, and 3 lines.
Can I put as many as I want?
Yeah, you can put as many as you want. Yeah, that's up to you. Now we're gonna do the body, and we're gonna do 3 bird curves on the side of the head. So we're gonna do first around the face, then a second one, and then a third one. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same on the other side. A curve that goes around the face, and then another one,
and then
and another one. So she now looks very fluffy.
I'm gonna make a little bump.
Yeah, you can make a little bump. You can actually add some bumps to your sheep.
No.
Now we're gonna do the ears. So the ears are gonna come from this first curve we did here in this corner. We're gonna go out a little, and then we're gonna curve back.
Out a little, and then curve back.
The same thing from this corner. Out, curve back.
Wait, I didn't do any bumps here. Can I do the bumps?
Oh yeah, you're missing one in there. Yeah, go join it with the body. Good job. Now let's do the legs. So for the legs, we're gonna do 2 curves. One curve, and then on this side inside, I'm gonna do 1 curve. And now we're gonna do kind of like a square shape that join these two. So we're gonna do to the right, down, and join here. Now we're gonna do the same thing to the left, down, join. And then we're gonna curve here in between the 2 legs.
Okay.
Now the last step, we're gonna do the 2 legs on the front. So for that, I'm gonna do 1 and 2 curves. Then I leave a finger space and I want to do 1 and 2 curves. And we're gonna do a long letter U inside. Long letter U.
Kind of like
long letter U.
a little bit pointy. See?
And there, that's it. We finished our unicorn.
A sheep.
And now my favorite part is coming in. That is,
Let's color.
let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our sheep turned out. I think they are so cute, and you can actually change a lot of these colors if you want to. We decided to do them rainbow, but you can change the colors. At the end, when these colors were dry, we passed with the marker and we did a couple lines just to give some texture. And we add these rosy cheeks with a color pencil. What do you think, Vale?
It looks great.
So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.